Nakapagpaabo na ba ang lahat? It's the end of Ash Wednesday, a day that draws crowds like few other masses here in the Philippines. Kaya ang biro namin, it's National ID Day para sa mga Katoliko, which is all good, but it can be pretty exhausting for us priests. So, I'll end a tiring day my favorite way how? With a good cup of coffee. Don't worry, it's decaf. Which is actually fitting because a lot of people, they approach Lent like they're making a cup of coffee for the Lord and they want to please Him. So they focus on the sacrifices, they follow the traditions, they recite all the prayers, which are all good. But just remember this. Lent isn't so much what we brew for God, but letting God brew something in us. Maybe for you, He's brewing humility to remind you of how much you rely on His grace. Or perhaps He's pouring in awareness of the areas where you need His Spirit to flow even deeper. Or maybe a wake-up call, a reminder that life, like the ashes on your forehead today, will turn to dust if we stay attached to things that ultimately won't last. Whatever it is, the pillars of Lent, prayer, penance, and charity, done well, give us the time and space to steep more in God's presence. So what will you let God brew in your life this Lent? And how will you make room for it? Type it in the comments below so we can pray for each other. God bless you, and may you have a meaningful Lent. Cheers!